To customize icons in the status bar for Redmi Note 15 Pro, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and find the notifications and status bar, and then we can click on customize icons display. Here you'll be able to find the number of notification icons shown on the top left corner. You can click on it and switch to, for example, 3 icons. As you can see now, there's a 3 icons display on the top. Then there's the system icons like a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and etc. So you can turn off the Bluetooth icon if you don't want to see it. It's the Bluetooth is still on, but it doesn't show on the top all the time. The same goes for location service or anything else that you can find down here. So select whichever icons you like to see or don't. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.